Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Bella and I'm back with another video. If you're new, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on that post notification for more videos to come. Like this video and also share this video. Leave a comment in the section below if you feel like saying something to me. I do reply to all my comments in a timely manner. Yeah, go to Linden Boulevard. Okay, so now today's the epic day for one of my friends, Omar. I know you guys remember him. He did a couple of DIY. He installed the tailgate sill for me, and also he installed the speakers for me. So I actually convinced him to do the F85 conversion that I did to my car. He actually paid out of pocket to do his. Mine was an insurance job. It's kind of pricey to do the conversion. No, let's go straight. Yeah, I thought I was saying he's using the navigation, so that's why he's asking me where to go. So it's kind of pricey to do the conversion, but it depends on your pocket. I'm going to leave the information for the body shop in the description below if you need to do the conversion too as well, if you're in the New York area. But we're on our way now to the body shop. He hasn't seen the car yet. I haven't seen the car yet. The guy called him yesterday and told him that it's ready. He dropped it off last week, so it took roughly like about 7 to 8 days to get the conversion done. So we're heading to the shop right now for the reveal, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back and I just parked. Sorry about the noise, they're kind of doing construction. So we're walking to the auto spa. I had to walk a block because there's no parking on the block. As you guys can see, all this block is like commercial area and it's taken up with mad cars. So I had to park all the way down and walk out. Me and my boy Omar, we're walking to go see the car. He's excited. Omar, are you excited?
Not really.
Not really? Why?
We'll see when you get there.
It's gonna look good. It might look better than mine. Yeah, because your car is silver, so it might look better. But we'll see. Alright guys, we're about to pull up at the auto spa in like 3 minutes for the reveal. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, we finally made it. 63rd Auto Spa.
Right across the street.
This is the man Victor.
What's up?
If you ever need a conversion done, hit him up. I'm gonna leave his information in the description, so just hit him up. Give you a good price, give you my discount.
Yeah.
That's Victor.
That's for Kim too.
This is, oh shit! This the man. This the boss man right here. PJ, what's going on? Say hi to my fans. How you been? Good? Good. Oh, Andy! That's the next man right here. How are you, Andy?
Good. You good?
Yeah, okay, just come into the car. How the car looks? Good?
Yeah,
Looks good. Look better than mine?
Of course.
Oh.
But don't tell him that. Don't let him see that.
Huh?
So don't tell him that. Don't let him see that.
Right?
They both look good.
Both look good?
Yeah.
I think his color gonna look better because he's silver. I don't know. And he's much lower and the thighs are like extremely fat.
How he did the side skirts too, it looked good.
Yeah. And he bought the front lip for his.
Like
So
yours?
yeah, he bought it. So he's gonna probably bring it so you guys can paint it
Okay.
and stuff like that.
All right. So,
Yep.
all right.
All right, cool. Everything good, PJ?
Good.
Yeah. See, I'm bringing new customers, you know? That's why you gotta, when I come, you gotta treat me good, bro.
I always.
Yeah, I just make doing this little vlog for my viewers, so tell them to hit you up if they need anything done. I'm gonna leave information in the description so they can. This is the boss right here. If they need anything, this PJ, hit them up. Best in the business.
We try.
Nah, you guys are the best. Okay, guys, so we're heading over to see the reveal. Thank you. Omar.
You ready?
Shit.
Yeah, this is a reveal, guys.
The silver is nice, you know.
Exactly, the silver
You
is
see the body
nice.
lines on it.
Uh-huh. You want to back it up?
Yeah.
Let me see his face. Omar, let me see your reaction. What do you think? So guys, he's gonna back it up so we can see it better. Look at him cheesing. Look at- Guys, here we go, guys. Reveal. Remember, guys, comment in the section below and tell me what you think. Omar, what do you think? You like it? Love it. This is it, guys. Yeah, boy. This is the guy that made it possible. Okay, guys, sorry about the music. Alright. Look at his face, choosing. He loves his car now. You love it even better, right? Hey, Papi. Hello. How are you? Looks good, right? Guys, I also do car wash over here. They have a few machines lined up. And this is their ceramic coating booth. This car got ceramic coated. Look at the glass. There's an Acura inside the booth. Getting ceramic coating too as well. Alright, guys. Look at these rims. Look how huge they are. Alright, guys, so tell me what you think. My car or his car? Drop your comments in the description below, in the comment section, and let me know what car looks the best. My car or his car? Okay, guys, so there was a lot of noise making inside the area because they're cleaning and they're working. All right, guys, so that's the reveal of the retrofit for my friend's car. If you like it, please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if you don't like it, just say what's on your mind. All right. And also, I'm trying to compare, you know what I'm saying, cars, either my car or his car. Which one car looks better? So leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Okay, guys, so I want to thank you again so much for riding with me, rocking with me. Please like, comment, share this video. All right, I got more mods coming up. Stay tuned for that too as well. And it's always a pleasure, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.